Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace dash vent. Okay, I'm talking about driver side or passenger side dash vent on Ford Edge first generation. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we're guys making at least 200 videos. Why we guys do all that? Why we make so many videos? Why we take our cars completely apart? Simply guys, because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video in return. Now, if you guys need to buy replacement parts, tools, anything like that, and you want to get them for a good price, fast shipping, check out guys the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get mostly everything for the car guys. So every car we work on. So this is guys a 2009 Edge that we'll be demonstrating on. Now I'm talking about these vents right here, the one on the driver's side and the one on the passenger side. So we're going to go ahead and show you guys on the passenger side because will be on the other side, but the driver's side will be the same way. Let me show you guys how to do that now. Pretty simple. So now right here guys, okay, that vent actually has 4 clips holding it in place, and some people will get a screwdriver and they'll start prying, okay, right here. That's where you need to pry one time here, one over there, and you can do that. Okay, you can see now it's all the way in, but it doesn't work so good guys because you can break that trim. What I usually do guys, okay, let me explain to you. I remove that cover here. Okay, that cover, you can get a clip remover too. Okay, you have a few clips that you need to pop up, and then I open the glove box. Okay, and I can reach 2 of the clips on this side through here and 2 through the glove box. Check it out. So that's what I will be doing now guys, and once I remove it I'll show you exactly, okay, where these 2 4 clips, excuse me, are located. So okay, you know what you need to do. So I'm guys now on this side. I press both of the clips in. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna come on this side and I get it out now. Let me show you guys. You grab it and you pull it out. Okay, and what do we have here? Okay, let me explain to you quick. Here guys we have 4 clips, as you can see. 2 on this side, metal clips. Okay, I'm just trying to constantly focus here, and 2 on this side because black is really hard to focus for some reason today. So what I did, I actually press them with my fingers on the inside, okay, just like that, and over here, and 2 on this side, and you can see where they get stuck guys, and we got the vent out. Same thing applies guys, okay, to the driver's side. Practically you can even remove it without removing anything else, but you can break it guys. If yours is broken and you don't need to reuse it, okay, you can just go ahead, okay, and try to get through here, okay, and pop them loose. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.